If LibreOffice is giving you error 1714, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the basic fix step by step. This issue often happens when an older version of LibreOffice is still partially installed, or when the installer gets confused by a previous setup on your computer. The good news is that you can usually fix it by matching the installed version, removing the old configuration, and then reinstalling the latest version cleanly. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, check the version of LibreOffice currently on your computer. Open LibreOffice if you can, and look for the version number in the About section. If it won't open properly, check the installed version from your system's apps list or program settings. This step matters because you need to find the exact previous version before you repair or remove it. Next, head to the official LibreOffice download archive. In the archive, locate the installer package that matches your exact older version. Do not grab a random version. The key is to download the same version that was previously installed on your system. Once you find it, download the installer file and save it somewhere easy to access, like your desktop or downloads folder. After that, run the old installer file. When the setup opens, pay attention to the options on screen. If you are prompted, choose Remove or Repair. This step helps cleanly purge the old configuration files that may be causing error 1714. Let the process finish completely and wait until the installer confirms that the old version has been removed or repaired. Once that is done, close the old installer. Now launch your fresh modern LibreOffice installer package. This should be the latest version you want to use on your computer. Run it normally and follow the installation prompts. Because the old setup has already been cleaned up, the new installer should have a much better chance of completing without the 1714 error. After installation finishes, open LibreOffice again and confirm that it launches properly. If everything worked, the error should now be resolved and you can continue using LibreOffice normally. If this helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.